Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cancel order on Uber Eats. So in order to cancel order on Uber Eats, all you need to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, go ahead and launch your Uber Eats account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. Now go ahead and tap the order food button. Next, you need to go ahead and tap the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. As soon as you click on it, then you'll need to go ahead and tap on orders. After that, you'll be able to see the order that you've recently placed. Now this only happens if the order is not yet delivered. Then you can cancel the order. Otherwise, there will be no such option as to cancel your order. So go ahead and tap on cancel order. You might also be charged with a fine, so you have to pay for it. Otherwise, your cancellation won't be accepted. So that is how you can cancel Uber Eats order. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.